Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the Mac that will forward iMessage. This is the bridge that makes everything work. Sign into iMessage on that Mac, install the bridge server, and grant permissions. Once done, set a stable address, either static IP or dynamic DNS, and forward the specific ports. This avoids dropped connections. Make sure the Mac stays awake or uses a power schedule, because if it sleeps, the Android client cannot relay messages. Proceed only when connectivity is verified. Now configure the bridge and the Android client so messages sync reliably. On the Mac, create the auth token and enable TLS or your chosen encryption. On Android, paste the token and allow background service and notifications. Once set, sync contacts and test one in group threads, plus images and video to ensure attachments pass. If messages lag, adjust keep-alive intervals and increase I/O priorities. Make sure delivery receipts and typing indicators are behaving as expected before moving on. Finish by securing and automating the setup so it runs long-term. Rotate the bridge token periodically, enable two-factor authentication on the Apple ID, and consider a VPN to limit exposure. Once done, configure service auto-restart and a daily wake schedule for the Mac. If things go wrong, first reissue the token and confirm port forwarding and firewall rules. Also check that system clocks match, since time drift breaks off. If issues persist, restart the bridge and client and retest message.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.